Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll
Well,
talk.
hey family, this is Darlene. Happy Monday and another happy new year. I was sitting here on the phone talking to my sister. Now, the whole time I was talking to my sister, I was making this necklace using these glass beads that I got yesterday, right? So we was on the phone for over an hour. So I was like, oh my God, I did want to get another necklace made. So while we were talking, I had on a speaker and I was making the necklace. That's why this one is already finished. So this one is using, of course, those little glass beads that I got from Joann's yesterday. And then I use a piece of glass that I got from, where did I get that bag of glass from? I think it's called Mosaic Glass, and I got it from Hobby Lobby. There is a video showing how I wrap the glass like this. So that's the glass, and I wrapped it with the wire just to make a pendant. And then I matched it with, of course, these beads that got the purple goldish look to them. And they made a cute little pair of earrings since I was on the phone. And we were still talking. And in my mind, I said, well, while I'm still talking, let me just go ahead and make a little cute pair of earrings too. So I did make a little cute pair of wire earrings, just something simple and easy to go with a simple and easy necklace. So I am going to be all this month of January, if God says the same, I am going to be making link necklaces. And this is the second one of the series. And I really like the way this one turned out. I am noticing what I have to do is make sure that I make the links the same size. And I am pretty much doing that, but some of them I could see like maybe I'm making them a little shorter than others. But I think it's still coming out pretty good. Oh, and then I put a little Buddha head right here for like a little charm situation on it. But this is number 2. You guys let me know what you think about it. And be sure to have a good day today, too. And we'll talk. I'll be back later on today, too.